How to fix Steam no connection in 2025. Step-by-step guide to solving Steam's connection errors quickly. Why you see the no connection error. The no connection error on Steam happens when the client cannot connect to its servers. This can be caused by poor internet, server outages, firewall settings, or corrupted files. Understanding the reason helps you fix it faster. Check Steam's server status first. Before troubleshooting your own setup, verify if Steam servers are down. Outages happen, and if the servers are offline, you simply need to wait until service is restored. Restart Steam and your PC. Sometimes the fix is as simple as restarting the Steam client or your entire computer. A fresh start clears temporary glitches and network issues that could block Steam from connecting. Test your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working. Run a speed test. Reset your router or switch to a wired connection. Weak or unstable internet often triggers the Steam no connection message. Update the Steam client. An outdated Steam client may fail to connect properly. Make sure you're running the latest version by checking for updates. If Steam won't open, download the latest installer from the official website and reinstall. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Firewalls and antivirus programs can block Steam from connecting to the internet. Add Steam to the allowed list or temporarily disable security software to test if this resolves the issue. Clear Steam's cache and files. Corrupted cache or temporary files may interfere with connections. Navigate to your Steam directory, delete the app cache folder, and restart Steam. The client will rebuild the files automatically. Disable VPN or proxy services. VPNs and proxies sometimes conflict with Steam servers. Disable them temporarily and try reconnecting. If you must use a VPN, switch to a server closer to your location. Reinstall Steam if needed. If nothing works, reinstalling Steam can solve deeper software issues. Be sure to back up your game data beforehand so you don't lose progress. Conclusion. The Steam no connection error can be frustrating, but in most cases it's caused by simple network or software issues. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can get back to gaming quickly without major disruption. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.